What's up everyone? So today we're installing Dennis's Motordyne exhaust. He's been waiting probably weeks for this thing to get here. Literally got shipped from Japan. So we're just gonna run through it, take you guys along and keep you guys updated. We're gonna do cold starts real quick just so you kind of have an idea what it sounds like stock, and then we'll do a couple revs when the exhaust is completely on. All right, so right now we're gonna rev it up to 2,000, 4,000, and we'll redline it just so you gotta have an idea on what it sounds like with the stock exhaust. So I really didn't show you guys the exhaust. This is what it looks like. Super clean look. He went with the burnt tips. Well, not really, but for now we're gonna go with the burnt tips. And right now he's currently just taking off all the bolts. Obviously something you guys all know what to do, but we'll keep you guys updated. So right now we just took off these 4 bolts right here, and then on the other side we almost stripped one, but we got it off, so no need to worry about that. What we're about to do is spray brake cleaner, or you could use DW40 on the hangers just so it's easier for it to get off. Alright, so we're just messing around now. We just took this big ass fucking, I don't know what you call it, but we took it off and we're about to start it up, see what it sounds like. It's deeper, but it's not much of a difference that I thought it would be. Sounds better, but let's get back to work.
Called me. As soon as I saw.
What up, everyone? About like 3 hours later, we're finally getting this shit bolted up. We ran into a whole bunch of issues.
He didn't even wobble, but
we're
he
getting
likes
it done
it.
now.
He didn't complain about it.
You're the only one that hasn't ate, have you?
Nope.
Me, you.
And me.
You haven't either?
Stop lying, nigga. Yeah.
How big is it?
So right now we got everything on up to here. We don't got this installed yet, but we're about to start up, see what it sounds like. That shit sounds pretty good, but we still got this to go. That's not the finished product. Y'all peep these tail lights. Y'all stay tuned for the next video on these. Basically, it's the current day. Weren't able to finish just because we ran into a couple problems. We were supposed to get 6 clamps. We only got 5, so we weren't able to put one of the last pieces that we needed to put on to basically complete the exhaust. Right now, what I'm going to do is go to O'Reilly's, get that clamp and put it on for myself. My friend basically decided to leave it here, and I'm gonna work on it while he's at work, so whenever he comes back it'll be all finished. All right, so like I explained, today's the current day. We basically got this side on, and then I just got back from O'Reilly's from getting a hanger that we needed. It came with only 5 hangers and we needed 6 just to mount the last one on, and that's what I'm gonna finish up doing, and then just putting on the tips, and then we'll start it up, give it a few revs, and let you hear what it sounds like. All right, you guys, so I just finished installing his exhaust for him. It's completely on now, but I don't have the keys. He didn't leave them with me. So whenever he gets here, we'll do a couple revs and kind of let you guys listen to what the Motordyne exhaust sounds like, man. All right, guys, so this is basically a cold start.
Bitch is loud though.
It is.
How you know, man?
Yeah, it is. That shit's loud as hell. And it's popping, and he just put it on too. I'm surprised like it's not break, like once you get it broken in and everything.
Imagine.
So this is the first ride with the exhaust, basically the cabin noise.
Do a full whole round thing. Nah.
So basically he's just cruising right now. It's not super loud, it doesn't have any drone or anything. He's at like 2,500 RPM, 22,000 RPM. So we're about to do a pull right now. So that was a second, third, and fourth geared pull. That's a downshift. It has small backfires. I'm pretty sure once it breaks in. I'm pretty sure once you break it in, you're gonna hear more. Like it's gonna. I don't know if it's gonna backfire or it's gonna pop.
It's popping now.
Yeah, it's popping right now.
It's fucking loud. I did not expect it to be this loud, if I'm being honest. I don't know how to feel about it. Bad.
So we're gonna rev it a few times just so you kind of have an idea on what it sounds like right now. So now I'm gonna go ahead and rev it. You'll see what RPMs I go up to and what it sounds like from inside. And again, this is the Motordyne exhaust. So that's what it sounds like in the cabin. Doesn't sound too bad to be honest, but it's pretty loud on the outside. Exhaust makes a difference on your car. Like power wise, I feel a difference. I think that's crazy. He's like, don't run me over. It sounds really good too, especially when you downshift.
Damn. I mean, I see people are looking.
So he's basically dropping me off just so he can get some kind of sound clips real quick. So that was basically a small pull. He's about to come back real quick and do a few downshifts. I'm gonna be honest, we rode it in the car and it sounds really good. There's not much drone, and whenever you're cruising, it's not loud, but whenever he steps on it, it gets loud. It's almost like my exhaust. If you watched my video previously, it's almost like my exhaust, but louder than my exhaust. Right now, he's on the way back. That was a downshift right there. And he's about to loop around real quick again. But as you can tell, the exhaust sounds really, really good, to be honest. just so you guys kind of get an idea of the flyby that he just did. And that was a downshift from far. Alright guys, so there you have it. You basically heard Dennis's new exhaust. I was editing the video right now and it sounds really good, even on camera. It's actually pretty loud for what I thought it was going to be. And actually, if you guys have any questions or, you know, comments, leave them in the comments below, and I'll answer everyone's questions, whatever y'all guys really want to know. I'll be making more videos as well. I did kind of let you guys see his new tail lights. They're customized, but I'll make another separate video about that. Anyways guys, stay safe and drive safe. I'll see you guys on the next one.